Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate the Universal Analytics shopping behavior funnel in Google Analytics 4. We're also going to explore how you can use the funnel exploration tool in Google Analytics 4 generally. Okay, so first I'm going to go create a new exploration. This is what it's going to look like at the end. This is our shopping behavior funnel as nearly as we can recreate it in Google Analytics 4. So you're going to start, of course, with a blank exploration, and you're going to select funnel exploration, like so. All right, we don't need any dimensions or metrics for this exploration, although, of course, you can add segments to break down your funnel and compare different segments, which is cool. But first we need to create the funnel. So I'm going to go steps. And the first step I'm going to do is users. Now this should be almost all users. So I'm going to select something that almost all users should have, which is a page view. You may see 90 something percent of users here. That's because some users may come from offline sources. That is the measurement protocol. And so if that's the case, they won't have a page view event. You don't need to worry about it. It should be, 85, 90% of users have a page view. So let's just start there. And that's one key difference here between Universal Analytics and GA4. This funnel here we're creating, funnels in GA4 use users, not sessions as their metric. So keep that in mind as you evaluate this data. It is going to be different than Universal Analytics because we're looking at users and not sessions. Okay, cool. Next, we need item views, product views, which in Google Analytics 4 are called view items. So what we do there is we search for the event view item, like so, and we add that as the next step. So I'm creating my steps in the funnel here. All right, and then I'm going to create my next step is add to carts, like so, and add to cart. Add to cart, select that as the event. Then I'm going to do begin checkout. Cool. So let's search for begin checkout. And then I'm going to add purchases as the final step. Purchases. Cool. Purchase. Okay. And I hit apply. And it will create my funnel just like that. And with this funnel, you can see here that it's got my users and then it shows the drop off in each step of the funnel. So I can evaluate, if there's an issue with checkout, if my checkout here doesn't have the same, has a large drop off, I might start looking at checkout. View items has a large drop off, I might start looking there. If add to carts, etc. This is how I can evaluate the funnel performance of my Shopify store. Great. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more useful videos like this, and check out some of our products, in particular our Copilot product that you can sign up for the waitlist right now, that shows that creates funnels and other graphs like that with a GPT-powered chatbot using your data. So thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.